He died long ago and was not killed by poison. The victim was fed continuously until the duodenum expanded, causing gradual pain. When the victim lost consciousness completely, the abdomen was struck, leading to the rupture of the stomach wall and death. There was no reason to drag it out like this. Just how much food did he eat that they had to buy more food twice during the process? It's only the beginning. Went in before security tightened up for the end of the workday and hiding for a long time. The lawyer was tied up, but their right hand was free. Handed a kitchen knife. Next, they made you decide where to cut first, with the condition that you would be released if you cut exactly 1 pound of pure flesh without any bone or cartilage. No fingerprints, no connection to the victim, and absolutely no witnesses. However, if it's the deceased lawyer's wife, she might be able to see something. They planned the incident a year in advance and went there exactly 1 year later. That's what was aimed for. They're executing the plan without a single margin for error. A man was instructed to engage in sexual activity with an artificial phallus equipped with a blade, and the prostitute died. A woman who believed that life was not worth living without physical beauty chose sleeping pills over calling for help. I don't know how you found me, but I was really surprised. I had to change some of my plans. I can't wait for you to see. I really can't. It's really going to be something. We're almost there now. Everyone will remember what I did, study it, and take it as a lesson forever.